Hey, Anthony with K Painting and Drywall, and I just wanted to take a minute to talk about these level 5 skimming blades. After 15 years in the trade, I've rarely found anything, whether it be a product or a tool, that makes me want to change up my process. And honestly, this is it. This is a game changer for us, and it's something that I can definitely see us using on a daily basis. We have the 32, the 24, and the 16-inch models, and to me that's the perfect combination to pretty much do anything that we need to do. Our goal with these was not to increase speed. If we wanted to do that, we would have bought production tools. What we wanted out of these was basically to help make our work a little flatter. Now, not to say that we didn't do good work without these. Everybody can use a 12 and 14-inch knife. But the cool thing about these is you have a large blade, so what it allows you to do is take large surfaces and basically get them in a lot fewer passes, so you have less lap marks, which means less sanding. There's a few different manufacturers, but in my opinion, Level 5 makes the best. It's an all aluminum construction, so you don't get warping. If you leave them out in your vehicle in the heat, they're going to stay nice and straight for you. The other cool thing about these is if you take this end cap off here, you can slide the blade out and replace a new blade if you need to, to put a new one on, if you nicked it, things like that. To my knowledge, I don't know that any other brands have that option. So yeah, we chose Level 5 because it's the best.